Hello, my students. Grade 1, how are you? Today we'll solve from المعاصر book, model number 7. First question, we have first group, choose the correct answer from the given ones. Number 1, the sum of the following expression equal what? First, we can eat together. We have negative 4x plus 6. And second expression, 3x minus 2. We can write negative 4x plus 3x and then 6 and negative 2. Okay, we must using here commutative properties. And negative 4x plus 3x, it will be negative x. 6 minus 2, it will be 4. Then the result will be negative x plus 4. Choose letter C. Question number 2. Which of the following production a negative sign? Negative sign here, it will be what? Letter B. Letter B, we have 2 product by negative 2 product by 5. The result will be negative 10. Choose letter B about question number 2. The sign here will be negative. Question number 3. In the opposite figure, if AC perpendicular to AB, then what is the value of x? We have here x and 25, the sum of them equal 90 degrees. We have complementary angles because BA perpendicular to AC, they are perpendicular, then the sum of two angles here, it will be 90. We have x and 25. X plus 25, it will be 90 degrees. The value of x, it will be 90, subtract by 25. 9 subtract between 25, it will be what? We can find the difference. 10 minus 5, 5, and 8 minus 2, 6. Then the result will be 65 degrees. Okay, to ask questions number 3. Then the measures here choose letter B, because we have here what? Complementary angles. Some of them equal 90 degrees. Next question. Look at with me about questions number 4. If two sets equality, then the value of y minus x equal what? We have this first set element here 3, 6, 7, and x equivalent the set of 6, y, 3, and 5. Then x here will be equal number 5, and y will be equal here 7. Okay, the forget number here 7. Okay, then he wants to find the difference y minus x, y7 minus x5, y minus 7 minus 5, it will be 2. Then the result here will be 2. Okay, choose letter C. Next question number 5. Number 5, what is the suitable equation to find the side of an equilateral triangle with a perimeter 12 centimeter? Okay, we have equilateral triangle, it's meaning all sides are equal lengths. And he give us the perimeter was 12. Then, if we want to find the side length, we can find 12 divided by 3. Then, 3 product by x. If the side here x in the equation, if the side length x, then 3x it will be 12. So we must choose letter B because the parameter x plus x plus x it will be 3x. 3x equal 12. You must choose letter B. Understood? Because we have here equilateral triangle. It's meaning all sides are equal lengths in triangle. Then the parameter it will be the side length product by 3. 3x equal 12. Next question number 6. What is the measure of interior angles of regular polygon which has 10 sides? Okay, we have 10 sides. We can find the interior angles of this polygon by the rule and subtract by 2 product by 180 divided by n. We use this rule to find the measure of each angle in polygon which was regular. Its regular pentagon has 10 sides. Put n equal 10. 10 product 10 minus 2 product by 180 divided by 10. And then 10 minus 2, it will be 8. 8 product by 180 divided by 10, cancel 0 by 0, and then 8 product by 18. 8 times 8 equals 64, write 4 and carry of 6. 1 times 8 equals 8 plus 6 equals 14. Then the result will be 144. It's the result about question number 6. Okay, choose letter D. Next question, number 7. Pay attention, steps with me here about 7. We have proportional. If x over 20 equal 3 over 4, we can find the value of x. We know 4 product by 5 it will be 20, and then 3 times 5 will 15. Then the result of 5, 15. 5 will be equal 15. X equal 15. Question 7, the result will be 15. Choose the result, okay? Choose letter D. What about next question here? Second group. Questions number 1. Choose the correct answer of the following from the given ones. Number 1, if A is 3 and 1 and B is 3 and negative 1, so which of the following points is the midpoints of A and B? We have here A, B. We want to find the midpoint between A and B. A is the order here 3 and 1, and B the order 3 and negative 1. We can find the midpoint between two numbers by finding the rule. The rule tells me we must add x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Write 3 plus 3 divided by 2 and 1 minus 1 divided by 2. Then the midpoint will be 3 plus 3, 6. 6 divided by 2 will be 3, and 1 minus 1, 0. 0 divided by 2, it will be 0. It's the midpoint. Choose the result here, letter B. Questions number 2. In the opposite figure, what is the value of x? We can here find the value of x by first step, find this angle by vertical opposite angle. Look at here. We have triangle here. The measure of this angle 54 degree. Okay, I will draw here to understood. Okay, understood with me here about steps. We have two triangles. The measure of two angles here equality. We call it vertical opposite angle. Vertical opposite angle. Okay, between two angles here. Then we have 54 and 42. You can find the measure of this angle by write 180 subtract the sum of two numbers 54 and 42. Write 180 subtract by 2 plus 4 6, 5 plus 4 9. The result will be 10 minus 6, it will be 4, and 17 minus 9, it will be 8. Then the measure here, it will be 84 degree, and we have 77. Then we can find the measure of this angle by write 108 subtract the sum of 77 and 84. We can find the difference between two numbers. Okay, then the measure of this angle, we can write 180 subtract by the sum of two angles 77 and 84. So 180 we can write it subtract by 77 and 44. 7 plus 4 equal 11. 1 and the carry of 1. 9 plus 7 equals 16. And then we can find the difference. 10 minus 1 it will be 9, and 17 minus and 7 sorry 7 minus 6 it will be 1. Then the result will be 19 degree. Then the result will be 19 degree. You must write 19 in the space. Choose letter A. Next question number 3. The solution set of the equation in Q. We can find the solution about this equation by using the additive inverse of -3. But we have first conversation about 0.3 to infinity to decimal. It's meaning 3 over 9. It will be third. 0.3, or you can use calculator to find the result. We can write here by using calculator about this number. We can write 0.3333, and the result will be 1 over 3. Okay, and we have 3 here plus 3 equal 12. We must move 3 from left hand side to right hand side. Then third x will be equal 12 minus 3. Then third x equal 12 minus 3, it will be 9. You can cancel third by product reciprocal of third. 3 times 9, it will be 27. Then the result here, it will be 27 bowling 2. Okay, choose letter B of solution, it will be 27. Next question, number 4. If the arithmetic mean of 5 integers is 14 and the median 15 and the mode 11, find the largest number of these numbers. عايزين نجيب هنا he won't find the largest number. Okay. To find the largest number, we will do what? Using the information. Look at with me, we have 5 numbers. Pay attention about these questions, okay? Questions number 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers. He tell us in the example, we have x bar, it will be 14, and the median 15, right? 15 here. And the mode was 11. We can write 11 here and 11 here because the mode meaning is the numbers which most repeating, right? 11 here, okay? And we will put here x and y. I don't know x and y, but I put here letters, okay? He give us the information. He give us x bar, the arithmetic mean was equal 14. The arithmetic mean 14. We know the arithmetic mean equals sum of all numbers divided the number of all digits, okay? We can write 11 plus 11 plus 15 plus x plus y divided 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then using the product of extremes, equal product of means, 5 times 14, it will be 70. And we can add 11 plus 15 plus x to find the result. 11 plus 11, it will be 22. Okay, we have here 22. 22 plus 15, it will be 37 plus x plus y. Then we can find the sum of x and y equal 70 subtract by 37. The difference between them will be 10 minus 7, it will be 3, and 6 minus 3, it will be 3. Then the sum of two numbers here, it will be 33. Okay. What is the result we will choose from the solution? We have two numbers. Don't choose 14 because 14 less than 15. And what about 16 and 17 and 18? Okay, if we put here 18, if y equal 18, pay attention about this. We know the sum of them equals 33. I will put here 18. 18 plus what equal 33? 13 minus 8, it will be 5. And 2 minus 1, 1. Don't write this solution because 15 repeating. Don't choose this. It's wrong answer because 15 repeating and the mode 11. Don't write 15 here again. Okay, this solution wrong. And what about if we put y equals 17? 17 plus what equal 33? 17 plus what? 13 minus 7 will be 6. Okay, and 2 minus 1, 1. So we must choose this solution. Okay, don't choose 18. Then the value of y 18, no, don't write it. Understood? Y will be 17 and x will be 16 because 11, 11, 15, 16, 17 is the order. So the value of greatest number here, it will be 17. This is the greatest value. Understood؟ فهمتوا يا شباب؟ يعني أنا عندي في الإكزامبل هنا قال لي إن الميديان كان ب 15 فكتبت 15 في الميديان. وقال لي إن المود كان 11 فكتبت 11 مرتين قبلها لأنها أصغر منها. وبعدين أنا جبت المعلومة اللي قال لي عليها إن الإكس بار كانت 14 وعملت كروس. طلعت إن الإكس بلس واي السمشن للتو نمبرز الباقيين دول ب 33. طب أنا عايز أشوف مين اللي في الاختيارات هينفع. لو أنا كتبت 18 مكان الواي تبقى 18 بلس 15 تديك 33 بس ال 15 هتتكرر ما ينفعش لأن قال لي المود ب 11 فما ينفعش أكرر 15. طيب أجرب بقى اللي بعدها لما آخد الواي ب 17 هيبقى الإكس ب 16 يبقى نفعه لأن هنا 11 15 16 17 الاوردر ماشي مظبوط. يبقى جريتس نمبر بقى اللي هو عايزه كام؟ 17. يبقى الحل بتاعك هيكون 17. ده الحل بتاعنا. يبقى اجابتنا تبقى لتر سي. understood. طيب تعال نشوف الكويشن اللي بعده نمبر 5. if the length in the drawing 2 centimeter and the real length 6 meter, what is the scale drawing? طيب هو هنا عايز يجيب السكال drawing، بستخدم الرول. انا عندي يا مستر scale drawing equal length drawing to length in reality. ده الرول بتاعنا اللي بنحل بيه. length in drawing was 2 centimeter and length in the reality they give us 6 meter. We must convert from meter to centimeter product by 100. So the result will be 2 to 600. We can divide it by 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 600 divided by 2 equals 300. Then the result will be 300, 1 to 300. Choose letter C. Next question number 6. In the opposite figure, we want to find the value of x. Look at with me here. We have two interior angles here supplemented. Some of them equal 180. This angle 60 degree, and this angle it will be the measure of this angle will 120. And again he drew two ray parallel, and the cut of them we have 35 degree. This angle will be 180 subtracted by 75, it will be 145 because we have two straight line parallel and the third straight line cut of them we call it transversal. Then we can find the third angle here by 8, 120 and 145, and the result subtracted from 360 because we have cumulative angles. Some of them equals 360. Then 360 subtracted by sum of two angles, 120 and 35. Sorry, 145. Then we can write 360 subtracted by sum of the angles, 120 and 145. 5 plus 0, 5, and 4 plus 2, 6, and 1 plus 1, 2. Then you can find the difference between two numbers. 10 minus 5, it will be 5. And 5 minus 6, we can't do it. It will be 15 minus 6, it will be 9. Then the measure of this angle, it will be 95 degree. The result will be what? 95 degree. Okay? Understood? Choose the letter C. We have another solution. You can solve this example by another solution by drawing this triangle. This angle 60, so this angle will be 60 degree alternating angle. And this angle 35 degree, and this angle, the measure of it is 35 degree, we call it alternating angles. Means the measure of this angle 60 plus 39, it will be 95 degree. Understood? Now we will complete the result about what? Questions number 7. Number 7, a parallelogram in which the diagonals are perpendicular and equal in length, it will be square. Square, all sides are equal in lengths and two diagonal perpendicular and equal in lengths. Choose letter C about question 7. Third questions, number 1. If k over 4 equal 9, then the value of half k minus 7 equal what? Okay, we have k over 4 equal 9, then the value of k equal 4 times 9 equals 36. K here equals 36. Then you can find the value of this expression. We have half k minus 7. Half of 36, it will be 18. Minus 7, it will be 11. Then the result here, it will be 11 about this question. Question number 1, the result will be 11. Look at with me about questions number 2. If the length of two sides of triangle 5 centimeter and 2 centimeter, what is the largest integer that can represent the length of the third side? Okay, we have 5 and 2. Two sides of triangle. We have 5 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Okay, you want to find the largest side here about third. We know the third side pointing to the open interval. Anytime, third time, anytime, the third side leads to the open intervals. About difference between two sides, 5 minus 3, 2 equals 3, and 5 plus 2 equals 7. Then the side length L would be pointing to any number lines between 3 and 7, like 4, 5, and 6, because it tells us all sides integers. Then the largest number here, it will be 6. Then the side length here, you want to find the third side, the large, okay, the largest. Okay, what is the largest integer that can represent the length of the third? Then we can write the third side, it will be 6 centimeter. It's the third side. Okay, understood? Okay, next question, number 3. We want using the result by using graph. Question number 3. We have ABCD square and E belonging to the ABA and EC equal to ED proves that EE equal AB. Okay, we have square here, square, and we can draw two sides parallel, CA parallel to DE, and we have here P. Square, okay? Two sides parallel. Understood? We have square. He wants to prove that this side length AE equal AB. EE equal AB. How we solve this? First step, we must prove that DEEA is parallelogram. How is this? We know EBCD is a square, such that EBCD is a square. It's a square. Then CD parallel to AB. They are parallel. And such that the point E is pointing to the ray BA. Then we can prove that EA will be parallel to DC. And such that he gives us this information, CA was parallel to DE. They are parallel. Then ACD is a parallelogram. Okay, then we have parallelogram. And the properties of parallelogram, each two sides opposites are equal lengths and parallel. Then we prove that DC will be equal EA. And we have properties about square, DC equal AB. We know all sides are equal lengths in square. This side equals this side. And we prove that DC equal EA, then EA will be equal AB. Then they are equivalent. Okay, understood? See questions number 3. Now questions number 4. Pay attention about these questions. Medals are made of bronze, alloy consisting of 3 metals, copper, tin, and zinc. In the ratio, 1/5 to 1/18 to 1/45. Okay, we can write the ratio between 3 metals, coppers, and tin, and zinc. C refers to the first metal, copper, tin, zinc. The ratio here 1/5 to 1/18 to the third number 1/45. We must product by 90 to cancel 5 and 18 and 45. Product by the least common multiples between three numbers because 45 can be divided by 18 and then 45 plus 45, it will be 90. Then 90 can divide it by 45 and 18 and 5. And then 90 divided by 5, it will be 18. And 90 divided by 18, it will be 5. 90 divided by 45, it will be 2. Understood? And then he given the mass of one metal is 425 grams. Calculate the mass of each of 3 metals. Okay. Then we can find here the sum of all parts. 80 plus 5 plus 2 will be 25. Okay. And he give us the total weight 425. Then we can find the weight of each one, C and T and Z. Then the weight of C will be equal 18 product by 425 divided by 5. Or you can find it 25 divided here, 425 divided by 25, and the result product by 18. Find the value of one part and then find the weight of the first. Right, 18 product by 425 divided by 25. And what about the second metal? 5 product by 425 divided by 25. And what about Z? Here, 2 times 425 divided by 25. You can use your calculator to find the result. 18 times 425 divided by 25, it will be 306. Then the weight here about C will be 306 gram. Okay, 306 gram. And T, we can write 6. The result will be 102 gram. And the weight of Z, we can cancel 6 and write 2. It will be 34 gram. Okay, solution about this example. Next question number 5. The following choose the height centimeter for 32 students. Construct a cumulative frequency table using intervals 130, 135, and so on, and then represent with histogram. Okay. We can draw the tables and divide it from seats and frequency. He give us the seats beginning 130 to 135, 135 to 140, 145, 150. Okay, you can draw this table. And then divide it as the result, write the result. Count with me from the table. We must write from 130 to 135, like 130, 131, 132, 133, 134 to 134 all. Okay, and here count from 135 to 139, and from 140 to 144, 145 to 149, and here from 150 to 154. Okay, you can count from the table all elements and write all frequency here. Understood? We get the result here, and then we can draw histogram here. First 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We have all information here about first interval and second interval and third interval and fifth interval to 150 55. Okay, the end of the interval 155. From this 132, 8, we must draw this to 8 here, and second to 7, and the next to 9. Okay, you must using your ruler to find solution. Okay, you must draw by the ruler, and then to the 6, and last one 2. Okay, the end of this example, right here frequency, and here